Hello students, today we are going to be applying the properties of exponents. This is in page 101 in your yellow packet. So, our number one problem is 3 squared to the 0 power over 3 to the third times 3 to the 0. Now, anything to the 0 power was what again? 1. And then 3 to the third power times 3 to the 0. We add the exponents, so it's just 3 to the third. That one basically goes away because that's 1. So it's 1 over 3 to the third power. That equals 1 over, what's 3 times 3 times 3? And your answer is 1 over 27. And you're done. Okay. Number 2, 5 to the 4th power raised to the 4th power over 5 times 3, 5 raised to the 3rd power times 5 to the 2nd power. Okay, so 5 times, what you do, if it's a power raised to a power, you multiply 5 to the 16th. And then these, since it's just multiplication, we add the exponents, 5 to the 5th. So then, when one's on the top and one's on the bottom, you have to subtract because it's the quotient. We're using that rule. And then we go 16 minus 5. What do you get? Is 5 to the 11th power. Now, if I wanted to know what that would be using our calculator, we go 5, and then we go over here, y to the x, 11, and get equals. And it's that big old long number. Is that 4,882,000? Nope. Let's see. 488,28125. Ooh, that's a big number. 48828. Got to figure out where the commas are. 125. 48,828,125. Okay, next we go on to the next one. Let's see if you can do number 3. Pause the video and try number 3. I'm going to go ahead and go on to number 4, where I have 2 times to the power of 3 plus x over 2 to the power of 5x. So I'm going to take this top number and subtract the bottom. So I'm going to take 3 minus x, or plus x, minus 5x. And that's going to give me 2 to what power? That's going to be a negative 4x plus 3. Okay. Okay. And we're done. Over here, we're going to say this is a power raised to a power, so it's going to equal 6. 3 times 2 is 6x. 3 times 1 is 3. And we're done with that one. Go over here, 9 to this power, raise that to the power of 2. So again, we're multiplying this whole thing by 2. So it'll be 9 to the power of 8x plus 2. Okay. Next, we're going to go on to number 7. Since multiplying base is here, we're going to add the exponents. So we get 7 to the 4a plus 6 minus 4a. So 4a minus 4a, that goes away. So you're left with 7 to the 6th power. And if we wanted to have that, we would, in numerical form, 7 y to the x 6 equals 117,649. So I want you to go ahead and circle both of those answers, both 7 to the 6th power and the 117,000 answer. Okay? You can do the rest of these, students. You rock.